You slept a full 8 hours. You wake up feeling like you got hit by a truck. How is that even possible? The problem is almost never how long you slept. It is what your brain did or failed to do while you were out. Everyone gives the same advice. Just sleep more, but you can lie in bed for 9 hours and wake up wrecked, while someone on 6 springs up fresh. Time in bed is only half the story, and often the least important half. So why are you still exhausted? It turns out there is a whole lineup of hidden culprits, and most of them have nothing to do with the number of hours. Let us line them up one by one. Chapter 1. Here is the first surprise. Sleep is not one flat gray blank. Across the night, your brain climbs through repeating cycles, each about 90 minutes long, and you run 4 to 6 of them. First, time in bed is not time asleep. You might spend 8 hours under the covers, but only truly sleep 6.5 of them, broken up by tiny wake-ups you never remember. The clock lies to you. Each cycle has stages: light sleep, then deep sleep, then dreaming REM sleep. The two that actually recharge you are deep sleep, which repairs your body, and REM, which sorts your mind. Skip those and hours will not save you. Start with deep sleep. This is your body's night shift repair crew. Muscles rebuild, growth hormone flows, and your immune system restocks its shelves. Miss this stage and you wake up sore, foggy, and much easier to knock down with a cold. Deep sleep is when your brain runs a nightly deep clean, flushing out the waste that piles up while you think all day. Miss it, and you wake up with yesterday's mental clutter still sitting there. So a good night is really a series of full trips down into deep sleep and back up over and over. It is the quality of those trips that leaves you rested, not the number on the clock. Judging your sleep by hours alone is like judging a workout by how long you sat in the gym parking lot. Time spent is not the same as work done. Chapter 2. Now, your alarm clock is a blunt instrument. It goes off at a fixed time, and it does not know or care which stage of sleep you happen to be in when it screams at you. If it yanks you straight out of deep sleep, you get hit with something called sleep inertia. Your brain is still half offline, and that heavy, foggy, who am I feeling can hang on for up to 30 minutes. It feels like being dragged out of the deep end of a pool while you were still holding your breath. Your brain needs time to swim back up to the surface, and until it does, coffee barely helps. But wake up naturally at the top of a cycle in light sleep, and you feel clear and ready, even on fewer total hours. Same body, same bed, wildly different morning, all down to timing. This is why some mornings destroy you and some feel easy, even on the exact same hours. It is not the total that got you. It is where in the cycle your alarm decided to strike. Chapter 3. Even if you are in bed all night, your sleep itself can be quietly shattered into pieces. And a night broken into fragments does almost none of the deep repair work you actually need. 3 quiet thieves steal your deep sleep without waking you fully: alcohol, big late meals, and a room that is too warm. You still sleep, but it turns light and choppy, all surface and no depth. A nightcap is the sneakiest of all. That drink knocks you out fast, so it feels like it helps. Then it wrecks the second half of your night as it wears off, blocking the dreaming sleep your brain was counting on. But the biggest hidden thief is sleep apnea. As you relax, the soft tissue at the back of your throat can sag and briefly block your airway, so for a few seconds, you actually stop breathing. Your brain panics and jolts you awake just enough to gasp and restart, then you drop off again. This can happen dozens or even hundreds of times a night, and you remember absolutely none of it. So you honestly believe you slept 8 hours, but you never stayed under long enough to reach real deep sleep. It is like a phone that reboots all night. Technically, it was on the whole time, and technically, it never charged. Chapter 4. Deep inside your brain sits a master clock, ticking on a roughly 24-hour rhythm. It decides when you should feel sleepy and when you should feel awake, and it is tuned mostly by light. That clock wants you asleep and awake at consistent times. Sleep at the hours it expects and you sync up. But get your 8 hours at the wrong time of day, and they simply do not land as deep or as restful. Here is the trap most people fall into. You sleep in for hours on the weekend, and you give yourself real jet lag without ever leaving your bedroom. Scientists call it social jet lag, and it is incredibly common. That is a big reason Monday feels so brutal. Your body clock is still running on weekend time, so when the alarm hits, part of you is convinced it is the middle of the night. You are jet-lagged in your own city. And bright screens late at night make it worse. That glow tells your ancient clock the sun is still up, so it delays the sleepy signal, and you lie there wide awake wondering why you are not tired yet. The good news is the best fix is free. Get bright light into your eyes soon after waking, ideally real daylight, and you tell your clock firmly that the day has started, which sets tonight's sleepy signal right on schedule. Chapter 5. All day long, a sleepy chemical called adenosine slowly builds up in your brain. The more it piles on, the heavier your eyelids feel. Think of it as sleep pressure, quietly rising from the moment you wake. So what does caffeine actually do? It does not give you energy. It sneaks into the docking slots where adenosine plugs in and blocks them. So for a few hours, your brain simply cannot feel how tired it really is. But the adenosine never stopped piling up behind that dam. So the moment the caffeine wears off, all of it floods the now unblocked slots at once, and the tiredness you were hiding lands on you twice as hard. That is the crash. And caffeine lingers. That 3 o'clock coffee can still be half in your system near midnight, quietly shaving deep sleep off your night. So tomorrow you wake up tired and reach for, you guessed it, more coffee. Then there is stress. When you are anxious, your body pumps out cortisol, a wake-up hormone. So you end up exhausted but buzzing, lying in bed with a tired body and a racing mind that refuses to shut down. Being tired but wired is like pressing the brake and the gas pedal at the same time. Your body is screaming for rest while your stress system keeps the engine revving, and real sleep never gets a chance to start. Chapter 6. Sometimes no amount of good sleep fixes it, because the tiredness is not coming from your sleep at all. Your battery is fine. The problem is somewhere else entirely. Low iron, low vitamin D, an underactive thyroid, dehydration, or blood sugar that spikes and crashes can all drain your energy no matter how well you sleep. Your engine is running, but it is low on the right fuel. Mental fatigue is just as real as the physical kind. An overloaded, stressed, always-on brain can feel utterly drained, even when your body is perfectly rested. Sometimes you do not need more sleep, you need less input. So here is the honest rule. If you sleep enough at regular times and you still drag yourself through every day for weeks, that is not a coffee problem. That is your body waving a flag, and it is worth asking a doctor. So being tired after sleep is almost never a simple case of sleep more. Piling on extra hours of broken, badly timed sleep just gives you more broken sleep. What you are missing is quality, not quantity. Protect your deep sleep, keep your clock steady, cut the hidden interruptions, and the very same 8 hours can feel like a completely different morning. Fix the night, and the day fixes itself. Imagine waking up and actually feeling it. Clear eyes, a light head, energy that lasts past 10 in the morning. That is not a fantasy. It is just what good, well-timed, unbroken sleep is supposed to feel like. So stop just counting hours and start protecting the quality. If this finally made one of your bad mornings make sense, hit subscribe and like, and we will keep turning the world into doodles, one question at a time.